outbreak of COVID-19, when it was very difficult to reach the children and making them connected with our education system. Initially, it was very difficult, but within 2 to 3 days, we were connected them with using technologies, WhatsApp groups, Google Meet we started, and very soon we were connected with students. It took very less time to be familiar with all such modes of new way of education, and we managed to reach each and every child with the help of these technologies. Computer, our mobile, this laptop, it helped us a lot to reach the children, and this board, it acts as blackboard, and it helped us to explain the topics as we explain in blackboard. Now, what we have to do? We have to work approximately, we can say 10 times or 20 times to prepare our lesson initially. We have prepared PowerPoint presentations. We have prepared and also we have to be familiar with the Google Meet. We have to face the camera, and very soon we were very comfortable with all these modes, and students also, they responded well, and we completed the syllabus as well as engaged the children in study, and there was no loss of the children in the academic session. All these means were very fruitful for us, and anyhow we could manage to continue the education of the students. We also took tests using Google Form. We reached the children using WhatsApp. We managed to face camera using Google Classroom, and the G Suite, it was the final mode of education to be connected with students, and it helped us a lot. We took all the tests, class tests, study, all was completed using this Google Classroom. Even we took the test and students uploaded their answers in PDF form. We corrected them, we returned them, and we assessed them well. However, it took a lot of time to upload the answer sheets, to download the answer sheets. Sometimes there was poor connection. Sometimes the connection issues was with students. Initially, some students were not having the devices because there was lockdown. But in that condition also, using phone calls, even using the phone calls, the students were connected with us. And everyone managed to continue their study, and at last we succeeded. And sometimes we have to go to the children after the lockdown. Many times we went to the children, some children, 1 or 2 who were not attached to us. We called some students separately to submit their notebooks if we are unable to upload their notebooks, and the education went on and it must go on. Thank you.